When I first started the program, I had just recently, aggravated my low back doing some front squats and I think overworking it. So I was having trouble just like leaning forward. I couldn't even touch the ground, or I couldn't even touch my toes if I tried to do that stretch. I've definitely improved my range of motion in my low back, and I feel like it's a lot more stabilized and stronger. I think I just have confidence in my ability to address issues that come up. Obviously, one of the biggest fears when people are looking into this program is the fact that it's done virtually or long distance. And I feel like how responsive and how seriously you take your clients and their progress. I was very surprised at how quickly you respond to us, how accessible you are. So that's a really good point that I noticed throughout the last 3 months that I'm sure will continue, and I'm sure every one of your clients experiences. The other thing was how structured it is. To quote Geico, I think, it's so easy a caveman can do it. So I feel like every week, I got a video I watched right there in the app. I don't have to try to go scramble and figure out which link to click. Like, it's right there. I watch it. You explain everything. I can watch as many times as I need to. If something doesn't make sense, I can ask you. And then I got the video demonstrations of all the movements. It's got the rep schemes and all that planned out. And then you just check it along on the app every day and you're good to go. Definitely overall, I've seen a lot of improvement.
Where are you at this point in time, halfway through the program?
When the low back pain isn't there, like I'm pretty close to 100. So I definitely feel like I'm a lot more knowledgeable about why you do certain things and why the program's structured the way it is, and kind of getting from that acute pain stage to, the independent, being able to, go back and do the things that you want to do, which is my case is lifting. Now I feel a lot better about it now. So I think I might have finally found something that I can, use for long term, because before it was just like a couple weeks of relief and then me kind of re-aggravating it again for a whole slew of reasons, right? So that's why I'm very thankful that I've got this program.